Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy Dollar Tree home decor DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my favorite project from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use this new find. Look how beautiful this is. I was so sad because I only found one of these, but I hope I really find some more. I'm going to start by just removing the string, and honestly there isn't much to do to this but add words. And I'm using this other Dollar Tree home word sign, which I am going to remove the hanger and paint the sign using some black chalk paint. Once it's dry, I'm going to just glue this using hot glue, and I'm going to glue it more towards the bottom because I'm going to add a wreath. And the wreath you can make your own. I am going to use two of these small little wreaths that I got during Christmas at Target. I'm going to put two of them together to make it more like a medium size. Then using the same string, I'm going to just attach it to the wreath and then glue that string on the back of the sign. For the hanger, I'm using the same string, adding some of the Dollar Tree black beads. And that is it. Look how beautiful and high-end this home decor sign turned out. For my next project, I will be using another new Dollar Tree find. I recently found this little pack of wood squares. One pack brings 4 of them. And I'm using these Michaels stickers, which I'm going to do the reversible stencil. I'm going to put the word home, and then I'm going to paint over it using some black paint. Once they're dry, I'm going to gently remove the stickers. It did bleed a little, but that is okay. You can hardly tell. Now I'm going to use a paint stir stick. I'm going to add the squares, leaving space in between them. It looked kind of plain, so I decided to add some greenery on the O, like a small little wreath. To finish it off, I made a small little jute twine bow and added to the wreath. And that is it. Look how beautiful this home sign turned out. Now to hang it, you can add string or add a sawtooth hook. For my next project, I will be using a Dollar Tree wood circle. I'm going to remove the string, but I am going to save it because I'm going to add it back on at the end. Now I'm going to make like a wreath. This one's gonna say hello spring just because I already have these letters cut out. I did use my Cricut, but you can always add anything that you want. Now I use some of the Dollar Tree painter's tape to make some lines to this. I started off with like a bigger section because I thought of only doing that, but then after I started painting, I just started adding some more painter's tape and I made different lines and different size. Like I said, I will be adding hello spring to this. I did use my Cricut to cut this, but you can always add something else. It doesn't have to be hello spring. To decorate my sign, I grabbed some lavender picks that I already had. Dollar Tree does carry picks that you can use. Walmart carries picks or any other craft store, but I did put together 2 picks and tied them in the center, glue them. I then did a bow using the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon and added in the center. For the hanger, I will be using the same one I removed, but I will be adding some of the Dollar Tree black beads. And that is it for this beautiful Hello Spring sign. My next project, I wasn't planning on adding it because it is very simple. It's actually something similar that I already did in my previous video, but I still wanted to share with you guys. So from Dollar Tree, I got one of these black chalkboards and I got this transfer stickers from the Dollar Tree and cut out the word home and put it on the wood part, which honestly I regret doing this because I should have just added to the small little house. I'm going to add to the blackboard, and I'm going to make the little house using 2 of the leftover paint stir stick pieces that I had, and I'm going to just glue them together. Add ribbon and jute twine and a bow to decorate it, and then add this to the black chalkboard. I felt like it was too plain, so I added some greenery around it. But that is it. Look how cute this turned out. And that is it for today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.